Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I am going to tell you about Koryo 484 liters frost-free side-by-side inverter technology star refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 584 liters, good for large families. Compressor type reciprocatory compressor, which is standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Defrosting type frost-free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, warranty card and user manual. Type side-by-side refrigerator type side-by-side refrigerator. Defrosting type frost-free. Compressor type reciprocatory compressor. Capacity 584 liters. Number of doors 2. Power consumption 175 watts. Star rating inverter technology. Coming to the warranty, 1 year on product and 4 years on compressor. Cost price 54,990 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dreamview channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.